Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we aren't working on the Jeep, but we are going to talk about some giveaways that I have going on, and I will in the future as well. So for the first giveaway, you guys have seen on the channel, I've used some super clean products. They did send them to me, and they actually sent me an email. They want to give away some degreaser to you guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a giveaway here on YouTube. So in the comment section, comment a number between 1 and 500, and I have all of these written down already, so I'm not changing the numbers. So I have all the numbers written down right here. So go on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok and try your luck, because you have 3 chances of winning. So on YouTube right here, right now, comment 1 through 500. If you get the number, you win. If no one gets the number by Monday, I will be choosing the person closest to the number that I have written down. Same thing on Instagram. So you have 2 chances to win. Go on Instagram, same thing, 1 through 500. It'll be my latest post. Comment 1 through 500, and if you get closest to the number, and these are all different numbers, so it's not the same number across the board. If you get the closest by Monday, you win. If you get the number before that, then you're obviously a winner. But on YouTube, turn on your notifications. That way, in case I do comment on you, you do reply back and I get your information. And the third giveaway for the super clean will be on TikTok. So I have a link down below. Same thing. That one's actually gonna be easier for you to win, 1 through 50. So a number between 1 through 50 and you can win. So make sure you follow me on all the social medias and keep updated. That way you guys know when all the giveaways are happening. Second giveaway, Lasfit actually hit me up. They're gonna send me some pod lights to test out for the Jeep. They're gonna send me 2 different kinds. So I'll be testing them, showing you guys the difference, and then I'm keeping 1 set and I'm giving 1 set away to you guys. Originally they just wanted to send me 1 set, but I told them send me 2, that way I could do a giveaway for you guys and you guys could get some dope pod lights too. On their pod lights, they actually recently released these. They have like lenses so that the light output is way better than, you know, Amazon cheap ones like the ones that I have in the rear. So this will be dope to test out and give away to you guys, and that'll be happening soon. I would say within like 2 to 3 weeks that giveaway will happen. Now the main giveaway is a lift kit, or maybe even some wheels. I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave that one up to you guys. We are so close to hitting 10K, and I never thought that that would ever happen, so I really appreciate all the love and support you guys give. And since you guys support me so much, I want to support your guys' build. So I am planning on doing a giveaway once we reach 10K. I'm thinking right now like a 3-inch lift, maybe a 4-inch, I don't know, but it'll be iron rock. Comment down below what you think would be the best thing to give away for 10K. But like I said, for now I'm thinking like a 3-inch lift. A 4-inch lift is good and all, but you would have to get extra parts like long arms or adjustable control arms. So with a 3-inch lift, you'll be pretty much fine. So that's my reasoning for a 3-inch versus a 4-inch, but I don't know, you guys comment down below. Or if you already have a lift kit and you do end up winning, I think I will be giving away some Rocktrix wheels instead of the lift kit. The choice will be up to the winner, but do comment down below if you would prefer either 3-inch or 4-inch. That way I know exactly what to budget for, and hopefully that'll help out one of you guys who be able to lift your Jeep, or if you already have it lifted, get some dope wheels on it. And of course, when that time comes, I will let you choose the color and style. If you do choose the rims, or if you choose the lift kit, it'll be either the 3 or 4-inch. I'm not sure yet. Just comment down below, because I really don't know what to give. I wish I could give away long arms, but I just don't have that like that, you know. But if you guys do want to support the channel and do want to support those giveaways, I'm literally paying for those giveaways out of my pocket, unless the company sends me the product. But for the iron rock lift kit, I'm pretty sure I will be paying it out of pocket. So if you guys want to support the channel, hit up najaraoffroad.com, pick up some shirts, some bulbs, something on the website that you guys like, and I appreciate all the love and support. Peace.